Not sure what your credit score is? Not sure how to even read a credit score? What do all these numbers even mean? Not to worry, you guys. There are tons of ways you can figure out your credit score, including a handful of free ones. And you'll be able to find these pretty easy to read. Use a free service. Many services and websites like Credit Karma, Equifax, Experian, and more allow you to check out your credit score for free. But you guys have to be careful because some of them might start free and then start charging you after a certain period of time. They'll need your social security number to check your score and will almost definitely request your email address in return for their free service. But the good thing about that is that they can email you anytime there's an increase or decrease in your score. It's so great to be kept up to date. You might also see or hear the term FICO score. That refers to the model that's used to generate your credit score. Understanding your score. So what do all these crazy numbers even mean? Credit standing is based on a range of numbers. Generally, the higher your score, the better it's considered in the eyes of the lender. There are 5 categories: excellent, good, fair, poor, and very poor. These categories may vary depending on the credit rater, but generally, here's how the numbers break down. If your credit score is excellent, that generally means your credit score is between 781 and 850. If it's good, it probably means you're between 661 and 780. Fair ranges from 601 to 660. Poor is considered 500 to 600, and very poor usually means 300 to 499. Generally, a lot of loans and credit cards that you can get require you to have good or excellent credit. Not always, but a lot of times they will. You want to keep track to make sure you're good for when you need it the most. And if you have poor credit, don't even stress about it. You can always build it back up. So make sure to check out our lesson on secured credit cards. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment about your credit card horror stories. Head over to onomy.co for all the things you didn't learn in school.